You never saw them. You only heard them. The ghosts. We ended up in the Ghost Squadron hangars. Now, a low-flying fighter, just a few centimeters.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Jesko Absolut. So what is this machine we have in front of us? Many of you can recognize it from last year's track-focused Jesko. But this year, it's the high-speed focused Jesko. This is the fastest Koenigsegg we will ever endeavor to make. We spent thousands of hours in CFD calculations and streamlining this car from a design perspective, from a cooling perspective, from a high-speed stability perspective. We ended up with a drag of only 0.278. It is the lowest drag number for any of these types of cars. With 1600 horsepower, with 1500 newton meters of torque, you need a lot of cooling, and you need wide tires to put the power to the ground. And you still do need downforce to make it stable. And to end up with that kind of low drag number is truly amazing. And if you do your math, and if you check our RPM limits, the power graph, and the drag of this car, you will see the potential of the top speed of this car. It is truly amazing. Like last time when we took the world speed record for a series-produced homologated car on a public road in 2 directions, we had to wait years to find the right venue and to be able to close off a road. And it was also still dangerous. There can be winds, there can be animals, there can be something rolling out on the road. It's just dangerous activity to do this kind of high-speed testing. But if you do it in a controlled manner, you can minimize the risks. And it would be a shame not to show what this car is capable of. When it will happen, we don't know yet. Exactly how, we don't know yet. But we've built the car to be able to set new high-speed records. That's what the Jesko Absolut is about. The name also comes from the fact, of course, that this is the absolutely fastest Koenigsegg we will ever make. Very exciting. The customers can choose in the configurator that we're opening up today on all the pre-sold Koenigsegg's if they want the track version or if they want the absolute high-speed version. We don't know how many of the 125 cars will be either or, so it'll be very interesting to see what our customers choose.